Bagi aku, pengalaman adalah guru yang paling berharga. Kita jadi punya cerita dan karya, dan aku akan mencatatnya untukmu. Subscribe dan tekan loncengnya ya. Terima kasih. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So firstly, I would like to show you this question. What is your understanding about critical thinker? And then I show there are 18 participants already answered this question. I sent this question to my friends with various kinds of professions like teachers, lecturers, students, and also workers. So we will get various kinds of information in here based on their understanding talking about critical thinker. Okay guys, so I will read their answer about critical thinker in here. Why I deliver this question? Because talking about design thinking, one of the skill that should be reached is critical thinking, and the person who are able to think critically we call critical thinker. Because design thinking have 5 phases, and one of the phase or first phase called empathize phase. The empathize phase involves students focusing on and learning about the people they are designing for, as well as context of the design challenge. So one of the challenge is human-centered. So the way of the students or the way of the people to understand what the people need, they are focusing on. So in this case, I would like to understand also first, but in simple way, because not face to face. It's better to do a face to face so we can design what they want to get by using this one, and then what is the difficulties talking about critical thinking. But in this case, we try to narrow to get the specific points is about question and answer, right? Okay, this is some answers of them. Critical thinker is about berpikir dengan menggunakan sebanyak-banyaknya informasi valid dari berbagai perspektif untuk menemukan alternatif solusi. Thinking things around by seeking point of flaws in everything. Kemampuan berpikir kritis. Orang yang berpikir kritis tidak menerima info tanpa menelusuri dengan jelas keabsahannya. Kemampuan berpikir dengan jernih dan rasional dalam menganalisa sebuah informasi. And then critical thinking is the person who can think clearly and rationally in any case or problem in appropriate time. A person who think twice and carefully before act. Next, a person who will thinking deep on some problems or topics and trying to mind others' perspective or points of view from those problems or topic. The next one, think about something deeply and questioning every aspect about one subject. Critical thinker is someone who has a skill to make logic choice based on information that he got and proceed by his brain. In other words, critical thinker is someone who has a habit on clear, rational, and logical thinking. Okay, so they have nice answers overall. Critical thinker is someone who is open-minded. In case when hear some news, they try to research first before react or forward to others. They are also a creative person who have lots of ideas to solve their problems or even others if needed. Test this idea for yourself. Identify some examples of your strongest feeling or emotions. Then identify the thinking that is correlated with those examples. Oke, berikan opini terbaikmu tanpa rasa takut, diikuti dengan sikap hormat dan santun dalam mengemukakannya. Critical thinker is a person who has ability to look at situation from multiple perspectives and mastering the skill of conceptualizing, applying, analyzing, synthesizing, and evaluating information to reach an answer or conclusion. It's like Bloom taxonomy. Yes, critical thinker also relate to Bloom taxonomy, like applying, analyzing, and then also creating, synthesizing something, like evaluating informations. Okay, and then you are what you think, whatever you are doing, whatever you feel, whatever you want, all are determined by the quality of your thinking. If your thinking is unrealistic, your thinking will lead you to many disappointments. Okay, thank you for 18 participants that already joined to answer this question. And from those opinions, we could say that many various kinds of professions already understood about the meaning of critical thinker itself and the way of them to be critical thinker, hopefully. Okay, next we would like to practice our critical thinker by question and answer with my friends, and we will tell about his experience, because one of the piece is empathize piece, and the way of you to catch out the human centers by empathize piece by interviewing someone. So check it out, and don't forget, before continuing watching, you can subscribe and also like this video. Thank you. Okay, friends, thank you. You are still keep stay tuned in Catatan Norma. So today I'm calling my friends Dimar. Dimar was one of the debater coach from Pekanbaru Riau province, and then he my friends when I was in National University English Debating Championship 2011 and 2012, I guess. And today I have the opportunity to call him, and then he wants to give the time to me to interview and then discuss together. Let's send greeting to him. Hello Dimar, Assalamualaikum.
Halo Nurma, Waalaikumsalam.
How are you there?
I'm fine.
Alhamdulillah.
Long time no see ya.
Yeah, long time not see you. So something happens there?
Oh well, Corona happens, everything happens.
Yes, of course. Yeah, and then it's kind of our obstacle now, right?
Yeah, but also come with opportunities.
Yeah, firstly, I would like to say thank you for you because you want to give your time to me to share your
It's a
experience.
pleasure.
Okay, Dimar, I knew you as a debater friend when I was in 2012 and also 2011, I guess. And I thought that you were one of the favorite speaker at the time, and then I thought also you had many knowledge on your mind, and then you never difficult to find out words to talk at the time. So of course it was really amazing to me to reminisce or memorize that experience before. Maybe could you please first to tell us your profession now and then your name to our viewers, please?
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Marjan, but you can call me Dimar. I am a debater, a coach. Actually, a very old debater and a very old coach. I've been coaching in Riau, Sumbar, Jambi, in any schools.
Yeah.
So that's a glimpse of who I am. Actually, I'm not really good. I simply had more confidence, and I never consider myself as a good person in speaking English. What I only had was I just want to do it. I just speak and do not care whether or not I will make mistake.
But it was not easy, because especially for you, Dimar, you are still continuing your professions as a debater, even you as a educators, you as a debater coach, and then you went everywhere, Jambi, what else? Padang, Sumbar, yeah, Sumatra. Even you also went to national debater championship, and you already created many good debaters in the world, right?
Wow.
Yeah, it's for me. Yeah, in Indonesia, Amin, one day. So, what was your motivation? Maybe could you please tell me your experience first when you were as a debater? Who motivated you, and then why you want to enroll to your professions as a debater coach or educator?
Well, I did not have any special motivations. It's more like I enjoy my time in university, and one of the way I enjoy it is by having more friends to talk. And so I decided to call some people to speak, and then we try to practice debating, and eventually they like it, I like it, and we continue it, and it happens. So the motivation is simple, that to find more people to talk, because if we do not practice our English, then it will be difficult to improve our English, and I want to improve my English, so I may I made and asked several friends to discuss, to talk, to debate, so it happens.
So, in another words, can I say that the motivations come from your inside?
Yeah, you can select that. Most of the time, I try to keep improving myself in English and critical thinking. So one of it is through community.
Yeah. So just now I heard you talk about critical thinking just now, right?
Oh,
And
yeah.
it relates to my content. I'm really interested in critical thinking because recently I read many articles about design thinking. So it's kind of the way of someone to design their thinking. And one of the design thinking that's really exists now is about critical thinking, like you said before. So it means that become the debater, it will train our critical thinking. Do you think?
Oh yes, of course. By being a debater, we need to think critically and on formulating certain solution for certain problem. So when we debate, we have to do a proper problem identifications.
Yep.
What actually that cause the motion or the solution that is provided here. So as a debater, usually students are trained to see something beyond the beyond phenomenon. So when we practice with certain topic, examples like we will build nuclear power plant. So the students are required to think what is actually this about. So that they will try to find out what actually the problem behind behind the solution that is provided, which is nuclear power plant, or behind the proposal. Finally, the students will try to figure out what actually this is for, what it is actually going to achieve. And so finally they will realize, oh, it is about energy. We need more energy. Why do we need more energy? Oh, the supply is no longer enough. The current electricity, current generator is not sufficient enough to fulfill the demand of increasing electricity consumption. So yes, critical thinking is very important because it trains students to think what makes something happen and how something happen and how later when it is happen then it will create benefit or maybe even harms. And so
Okay, friends, we
debater
are still
are
having
trained
the
to
interesting
think
discussion
holistically
about
from the
critical
beginning
thinking with
till the
Mr.
end.
Dima.
Yes,
Hopefully,
yes.
you are still curious and wait the next discussion only on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.